Hi Amara Mura.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you doing today?
But freedom.
Making bird feeder.
Yes.
So what do we need to make a bird feeder? We'll take some grains.
Yes.
I use toilet roll
Yes. This.
and then something to stick. You can take peanut butter, you can take honey, or you can just make
Make.
a paste of flour and water. Take a toilet roll,
No.
roll it in the bounding material.
Yeah. I think I move.
You can just roll it inside and then just roll it in the grains
Yes.
so that all the grains will stick to the roll.
Give it. Wait.
We'll keep it aside to get dry,
Die.
and then using a twine we can hang it